I love shopping at Costco in December. There's so many great deals, so let's go shopping. There's so many great gifts right now at Costco that you need to know about. I just found a new It gift, you guys, and my store only has 20 left. So if you see this and want it, you definitely want to pick it up. It's the Tupperware 32-piece Heritage Collection. I mean, this is the Tupperware we had in my house growing up, but they've revamped it. It's in these new fun pastel colors. All of the pieces have lids and definitely super cute. If you need some canisters for your pantry, I just spotted this 4-piece set. They say mason jar on the front and they're only $21.99. How cute are these? This set of body wash, these are huge, 28 ounces each. You get 3 of them, only $8.99 for all 3. The scents are citrus pine, holly berry, and frosted mint. We're getting this. If you like Yankee candles, you can get them in a 6-pack for just $19.99. This would be great if you don't really know what scent you're gonna like. Now I know everything's oversized at Costco, but have you ever seen a diffuser this big? This is huge. They have these diffusers right now. They're $5 off until the 17th, so they're $19.99. It says 36 ounces. They come in 2 different scents. I don't know if this is a new product, but it's definitely a new product to me. This is a Home Medic Serene scent. You get 3 different scents and then you plug it in and it's supposed to smell up your entire home. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried this. You can pick it up until Christmas, $20 off at $79.99. I love all the real greenery, you guys. This is a real flocked Christmas tree, $19.99. It has lights on it, it's adorable. It even has this great little red pot, and the lights have batteries. Ooh, this would make such a good Christmas gift. This would be a great hostess gift, $20, and adorable house plant. I feel like I want this for my house. There's 2 different options. This one's just as adorable. You can get a Christmas cactus in 2 different colors, this red or pink, for $21.99. This time of year, I love to update my bedding and make it nice and cozy for the colder months. And I'm gonna do that with the help of BedSure. They have a wide selection of bedding and I wanna thank them for sponsoring today's video. Let's start with our sheets. Now, one thing whenever I'm picking sheets is I try to go with the highest quality that I can because these are gonna be the closest item to your skin. I'm gonna be adding the BedSure 100% cotton blend sheets in the color Mineral Blue. They are so soft. They are also wrinkle resistant and they have a 16-inch deep pocket to accommodate most mattresses. I love adding in a colorful sheet during the winter time, and then with my comforter, I'm gonna go more neutral. For my comforter, I'm adding in this waffle weave comforter in the color khaki. I love going with a comforter that has texture. That's going to make wrinkles practically disappear. You're not gonna be able to see them. BedSure uses a high quality cotton on their comforter that reduces impurities by 82%, and it has excellent breathability. I'm somebody who always gets colder, so I like to add on blankets to my bed, and I like a heavy duty blanket. This is a waffle weave blanket in the color light beige. It's made of 100% cotton. It's also a fairly large blanket, so it's going to cover my entire king size bed. BedSure has a ton of blankets to choose from. I'm gonna link them for you below in the description box. We couldn't leave out my dog Moose. BedSure has pet beds. Now this one is a small. I know it looks really big, but Moose is only 6 pounds. He's a really tiny dog. This pet bed has bubble memory foam, and I think Moose really likes it. I got mine in the color light khaki. If you're wanting to change out your bedding or maybe change out some guest bedding with the holidays approaching, I will put links to everything I'm showing you down in the description box below. And BedSure is providing a special promo code for my followers. Just use promo code Liz15 for 15% off site-wide. I have been super impressed with the Fantix brand. I've been showing all kinds of stuff over on Amazon of my favorite Fantix products. They have 3 here that I haven't seen before. They have the Fantix Jump Starter Kit for $90. Also running a deal now on the Power Screwdriver, $9 off, so you can pick it up for $40 until Christmas. They also have a Fantix Car Vacuum at $40. This is a good deal at $15. This is the KitchenAid mitt set. It comes in 4 pieces. You get 2 oven mitts and 2 pot holders. It comes in this navy color and gray. This is a great deal on Swedish dishcloths. You're gonna get a 12 pack of these dishcloths. These are a combination of a paper towel and a dish rag. You can reuse them. You can wash them in your washing machine or in your dishwasher. We spotted these indoor accent rugs that you could put like inside your front door or in your kitchen. Now my store only has this style, but they come in a few other styles if you can find them in your store. Costco is now carrying ruggable rugs. Now these are large rugs. They're 8 by 10, and if you're not familiar with them, you can put them in the washing machine. There's a few different styles available. I haven't seen a good deal like this on doormats, and I don't know how long. These doormats, huge, $7. This one says Let It Snow. They also have one that says Winter Wishes, just $7. If I need floor protectors, I come here to Costco because they get a lot for a little bit of money. Now these right here are only $12.79, but what I love about these is they're customizable. They come in 4 different sizes. So you can see here, there's 4 different rings. So if you have a larger base to your chair, you put the whole thing on, but if you need to make it smaller, you can do that as well. Super cool, 48 in the pack. They also have these little anti-slip pads. So if you have furniture that moves around on your hardwoods, you can put these on there. These come in a pack of 10. I am obsessed with this olive tree. It's really expensive though. It's $350, but that would look so cool in my house, but a little pricey. EOS lip balms are a great deal, great stocking stuffer. You guys, you're gonna get 9 count for $11.99. And then there's 5 different scents. I'm gonna be getting these. We also found these EOS Super Balm 5 tubes. These are $3.40 off until the 22nd. These would make great little stocking stuffers. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Costco. I have a different version of the Delsey Paris luggage, but this one looks like a pretty good deal. You get a 2-piece hard set of luggage, $40 off right now, so it's $140 until Christmas. 2 different colors, the gray and the red. Costco has the Dyson Cyclone V10 on deal until $12.15. It's $100 off, priced at $400. I feel like I need this snow cleaner for my car. It's $15.99. You get this big one to scrape everything off and a smaller one. I'm over here in the gift wrapping section, and one deal I like to pick up every year are their 3-pack of scissors. These Scotch scissors are really good and they're just $10. Have you guys seen these candy cane pillows? They're definitely giving Pottery Barn vibes. They also have a snowman, and both pillows are only $8. Costco has this Dash waffle maker, and this is different than any one I've seen, you guys. Look, you can change out the griddles to have fun shapes on there, and you can get up to 7 shapes depending on what the holiday is. So they have like a Santa, they also have a jack-o'-lantern, a snowman. Have you ever tried this OXO cookie press? It's here at Costco. I've never used it to make cookies, but I would love to know if you have. It looks like with the cookie press, you're able to make all of these fun shapes of cookies. Costco has the best fresh greenery prices, $19.99. You can get all of this fresh greenery. You can also pick up their fresh greenery wreaths, also $19.99. This is the desk that I used during my Amazon live streams. If you guys aren't following me on Amazon Live, I will put a link to that down below. But this desk is great. It's a standing desk. It adjusts up and down, and I'm telling you, it's cheaper than when I bought it. Right now, it's priced at $219, so a great deal. It's a great standing desk because you can raise it and lower it. I will say the only downside to this desk is it is really heavy. Hands down, the cheapest place that you can find these no-slip hangers in the black with the velvet is here at Costco, but they only have them out certain times a year. I spotted them, so I'm gonna be picking these up. They come in a 50-pack and they're only $12. You're not gonna beat that deal. I always wonder how Costco has such good deals on cups. These little cups, perfect for kids. They're $11.99 until $12.17. You get $3 off. And they also come in these colors, or you can get the gray and navy. What do you guys think of these 2 packs of Hydro Flasks? You get 2 for $50, and you get the traveling tumbler, and then you also get the one with the lid. If you have an ice plunge on your list this year, Costco has an affordable option. This one is $150. Perfect time to pick up your snow sleds. They're just $15.99. I'm here for this gigantic Connect 4. This is so cool. If you have a kiddo who likes Squishmallows, Costco has an entire aisle. This is a mini set of Squishmallows, so you're gonna get 8 for $19.99. Look how big these Pokemon ones are. My kids are definitely not Bluey age, but it must be really popular because there's so many options. They have a Bluey shopping cart and cash register combo for $50. The Bluey Mega Beach Bash set is $60. They also have the Bluey car for $100. I also really like the Costco jewelry kits. They're $19.99 and you get a ton of different beads. If you're needing to pick up Legos, Costco has a few options. They have this Mona Lisa one that's $75. They also have a Lego Friends that's currently $70. This is one of my favorite gifts they have here at Costco. Their little set of games. I bought this last year and you get 6 different card games in the set. If you don't know what to get for a family, this would be a good option. How cute is this little Stanley Jr. set? You have the tool bench and all these cute little tools. I think it's $70. This is even better, you guys. I just realized that it comes with 2 wooden kits that you can put together with your tool set. This is awesome. This would be great for kids 8+. I have never seen this before, but it looks pretty cool. This is called Robo Alive. It's an aquarium. I think it's like $50. Do you actually put water in here? Guys, let me know down in the comments. I have never seen this toy before. It looks like a fish aquarium where you put fake fish in. I don't know. How cute are these Hello Kitty toothbrushes? They come in a 5-pack for $10. If you bought these seasonal hand soaps last year, they brought them back again. They're $2 off until Christmas, so you can get all 4 of these for $10. Costco has an entire aisle of wireless headphones. The Beats Studio Pro wireless noise canceling headphones are $200. They have the Shocks open ear design. These are great for running or being outside. The Beats Solo 4 come in 2 different colors, black and white. They're around $100, which is about the same as they were on Amazon. There's a few options for wireless speakers. The Skull Candy 2-pack is $15 off right now through Christmas for $45. The Bose wireless speaker, this one is $100. This one's rated really high and it lasts up to 12 hours per charge. We're spotting some good beauty deals. This NYX oil lip comes in a pack of 3 and it's only $10. Do you guys remember that diffuser I showed you earlier? We found this lotion set and I really like it. They come in glass bottles. They're $12.99 and these scents are definitely scents that I could get into. Have you guys tried this Monday shampoo? They have it here in a gift set this month. It's $10 off, so you're going to get 2 containers of the shampoo and conditioner, and you're gonna get the dry shampoo. The Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 Countertop Oven Pro is $40 off until $12.24. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender comes in a 2-pack, and it's $20 off until Christmas. This Sharper Image towel warmer is cheaper than the one I saw off of Amazon. The one on Amazon was over $100. This one's $84.99. Great gift option would be this Keurig K-Cafe Barista Bar. It's $20 off, so $80, and it even comes with a few pods. Pick this up for anybody who loves the Nespresso pods. These are the Starbucks kind. You get 4 different varieties for $68. I just spotted a great deal on bento boxes. This is a 2-pack of bento boxes for $6.97. That's a great deal. These make excellent lunch boxes or just taking your lunch on the go. We just spotted this 4-pack of holiday candles. They're priced at $20 and they come in really fun scents. You can get Apple Grove, Cinnamon Pumpkin Chai, a Sapphire Cashmere, and Mistletoe Frost. Let's see what new food items we can spot. The first one I'm seeing are these little soft pretzel bites. They're by King Hawaiian. They're $8.89. They have these variety loaves for $8.99. They also have peppermint bark. They have these white mini cakes with the gingerbread on top. They also have it with chocolate frosting.
There's so many good candy gift sets out right now. I really like this Sugarfina bento box. It comes with chocolate and gummy bears. This is what it looks like inside with the little boxes. I think it's adorable. Last week for Black Friday, I was showing you this peppermint bark. It was so popular, they have it here at Costco. They also brought back this hot cocoa mix, and if you're gonna be doing a hot cocoa bar, this would be a great option to set out. Definitely getting the zebra popcorn, it's just $4.99. I did pick up the Kirkland Ultra Free and Clear. It's on deal until Christmas for $14.39.
Let me know down in the comments which products you like picking up in December at Costco. I love knowing your opinion, and I'll link to all the BedSure products down below in the description box. And make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.